Exciting news from the College of Agriculture and Forestry. We have our pigs that were brought in some part of last year, June. One of the pigs, which we call the sow, the other female, farrow today, farrow some part of Saturday last week. And we are so excited to have about 6 piglets that was farrowed by this sow. As you can see, they are now having their breakfast. They are now having their breakfast. And I spoke with the animal scientist and the manager here. Said we have another sow that will be farrowing anytime from now to next month. So if you can just imagine, we came with just 3 piglets, one bull, the other male, and 3 sow, other female. And one sow has just strapped or farrow with 6 piglets. Imagine with the remaining 2, with an approximation of following 8 to 10. We might be thinking about expanding our piggery. This is an initiative that started small and bigger will go. Ladies and gentlemen, from wherever you are, we are saying life starts small to go big. Thank you to the leadership. Thank you to the college technical team for the support and the level of interest showing that our college remains an area of production.